Hey y'all, so I'm coming at you guys really quick to show you how to create a Kroger account so that you can clip and utilize digital coupons, so that you can do deals like the ones that I've presented to you over the past few weeks or a week or however long I've been couponing on this channel. So we're just going to jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Kroger.com. You want to click on the little person icon here and you want to go to create account. And once you get to that screen, you're going to fill out the information like so. You're going to skip plus card or alt ID because obviously you don't have that yet. You're going to create that once you create your account. So, once you finish creating your account, you're going to go into your account. You're going to go to account info. And I'm pretty sure, I don't know, I'm just going off the top of my head, but I'm pretty sure there is something in there. If you don't have an account number, if something in there that's asking you, do you want to create an account? You're going to, account number, you're going to say yes, and you're going to go ahead and do that. And then once you do that, you'll be good to go at Kroger to pay for your items and use digital coupons. So we're going to move on to the next part of this video, which is showing you how to navigate through the app to clip the coupons and to utilize either the scan bar that's in your account or your alternate ID. So now, guys, I'm going to show you how to navigate through the app so that you can utilize your digital coupons, save money, and go on your merry way. So first, you're going to start at the top here. You're going to click on these three lines. You're going to go down to plus card, and bam, here you are. Now, of course, I have my information blurred out, plus part of the scanner, just to be safe. But basically, this is the screen you need to scan before your groceries. Then you want to start scanning your items so that you can get the deals to come off of your card, or the coupons or digitals or whatever you want to call them. And that's pretty much it.
Welcome, valued customer. Scan items one at a time, placing them in the bagging area after each scan.
Now, if your phone won't scan, all you have to do is follow what I'm doing on the next screen, which is go to alternate ID and type in whatever account number you created when you signed up for your account.
Item lookup button. Enter your alternate ID, then touch done.
If you're looking for the coupons, you want to go down to savings, like so, and then view coupons, and then you will just scroll through the coupons to see which ones you need to clip for future or current use. And that's pretty much that. Pretty simple. All you do is basically go to Kroger.com, sign up for an account, create an account number. You can either use your cell phone number or you can create a number. It don't matter what it is, just create a number, write it down, and save it in your phone or something, so when you go to Kroger, you'll know what it is. And yeah, that's pretty much that. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at trbeardee. Subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.